Hi students, wish you all a good day ahead. Now we're going to look at punctuations from page number 18 as a continuation of what we did in the last video from Guided English. Okay, when you are preparing the passage for dictations, note these points. The hyphens in French speaking and well built. When you make a compound word, double word, okay, you have to put a hyphen. And then the use of a comma before oganga. Okay, example 2, mark of the name of the person spoken to. To mark out, separate, specialize the name of a person about whom it is spoken, it is, you can put a single inverted commas, or the use of the dash. Okay, when you write something, stop and an explanation or something like that, when you write, you can do that. Next, the position of the speech marks. Okay, that is direct speech, indirect speech and all. We have inverted commas for the words that is quoted, and there is a comma after that, and at the end a full stop, or that is what it is. Okay, next is on page number 24. What do you call some useful words? All and every. See, every boy stood up. Every is referring to singular. All boys stood up. Here it is plural and it is referring to plural. Now, replace every with all. That means in the exercise that is given, wherever every is used, replace it with the all. Remember that all is followed by the plural. Make any other changes that may be necessary. Every window was closed. All the windows were closed. Every girl was laughing. All the girls were laughing. Every glass was full. All glasses were full. Every car had gone. All cars had gone. Every light was out. All the lights were out. Every duster had holes in it. All the dusters had holes in them. Every soldier volunteered. All soldiers volunteered. Every bottle was broken. All the bottles were broken. Every book was on the shelf. All the books were on the shelves. Every room was full of people. All the rooms were full of people. So that's how every and all is used. Now again punctuation on page number 29. Where words are contracted, reduced, shortened, or short form is written. Okay, for example, we use I.E, small letters, shortened by leaving out letters. An apostrophe is used. Apostrophe also, like when you write B apostrophe day, birthday, it tells that, okay, how the words are, see, B day. This apostrophe means some words, some letters are missing. Actually, it is BIRTH is missing from here. Okay, so that is where we use apostrophe. Refresh your memory by looking at these examples. Haven't you, have not, haven't. Won't, will not. Shan't, shall not. Aren't, are not. Can't, cannot. It's, it is. Don't, do not. There, they are. Aren't, are not. Is, he is. Weren't, were not. That, they had. Now give the full versions of the above contractions in the passage from the diction. Notice carefully. The examination mark, sorry, contractions, the exclamation mark after churchyard from the passage that is given. Okay, how do you think Pip's sister spoke this word? Question mark. Okay, so these are the changes. I mean, the punctuation, the comma, full stop, question mark, all that you are supposed to put. Next, the countable and uncountable nouns. Remember that some nouns can be counted, but some are uncountable. That numbers you can write, like pens. It is written here. Pen 1, 2, 3, 4 you can count. Whereas ink 1, 2, 3, 4 you cannot count. You can count it only with the container in which it is there. So that is what is the difference between countable noun and uncountable noun. Okay, add a or an where necessary. Table is made of wood. Bread is made from flour, or a bread, a table. If it is not there in general also, there you can use. Bravery is an admirable quality. Number 4, he likes sugar with tea, salt with soup, and milk with coffee. 5th one, the last, she buys meat at a butcher shop near our house. Next exercise on page number 35. Add a and some or the where necessary. Can you lend me a cup? I should like a drink. Would you like a lemonade or a nice cup of tea? Number 3, the cover of my book is torn. If I had some glue, I could mend it. I like some milk, but the milk I drank the day before yesterday was sour. I like milk, but the milk I drank the day before yesterday was sour. Number 5, I think there is a puncture in the rear wheel of my bicycle. Do you know where there is a repair shop? Okay, that's all for today. The rest in the next video. Thank you.